I'm going to show you how you can send funds safely on MoonPay. Now, it's a little bit unintuitive because to actually send, you can see on the homepage here, there's a buy and then deposit button, but there's no send button because the send button is actually hidden away. When you first go into MoonPay, it'll just look like this, right? You have to go to the wallet section first. Now, on the wallet section here, you'll have to pick on which one you want to send. So, for example, if you want to send Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or XRP, you will have to press on the corresponding blocks here, right? So for example, here, I want to send Ethereum, for example. I just want to tap on this. Now on here, you'll see a page that looks like this. Now there's no send button here because again, it's still hidden away. You want to tap on the three button here and then you want to tap on send here. Now on send here, you can pick on how much Ethereum you want to send. You can type it in manually here, for example, or you can do 10%, 15%, 75%, or max. Now, once you tap on continue, you will be faced with a UI that is actually wanted to your wallet address, right? So for example, if you want to transfer it to a Phantom wallet or Trust wallet or anything like that, you will need to get the wallet address from there and then enter in the wallet address here to send it. You might need to do a couple of process like verification where they'll ask for your IT for age verification. After that, you will have to review it. And then the process might take a couple of business days depending on the network. It could be instant as well. Again, depends on the network. But after all of that is done, then you've been safely transferring your fund from MoonPay onto another wallet.